Hello and welcome to Niger Infusions. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this simple, delicious plate of stir-fry noodles. To get started, you want to add a little bit of oil into a pan. You don't need a lot of oil, just a little, and then shallot and some chili. I just want to add your chicken. Make sure the chickens are dry. If you're using prawn, make sure they're dry. Then you want to add some chopped dried garlic into that and then give it a good mix. Do not add salt because salt extracts moisture. Then next you want to add your rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, and some fish sauce I said. Then some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce. I prefer the dark soy sauce because it brings out the flavor immediately. And then you want to give it a good stir. Then you drop your noodles in there, give it a good stir. You want to stir it before you add any water, and the water I would advise you to add them little at a time. Don't just add a lot of water at the same time. Then give it another good stir. You just want to keep mixing so that it doesn't get sticky and dried up. Then you want to add your vegetable. I usually get my vegetable stir fry from either Asda or Waitrose. So you just want to give it a good mix and let everything just come together and incorporate. Give it a good taste and see if the salt is the soy sauce is enough. If it's not enough, add a little bit more. Then you want to serve. This was so easy, so simple to make, and the kids and myself, we enjoyed it. Thank you so much for always tuning in, and I will see you next on my simple recipe. Bye for now.